Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing you how I set up my hot cocoa slash coffee bar. Mostly everything that I've purchased is either from HomeGoods, Hobby Lobby, Big Lots, Michaels, you name it. If it's some type of craft store, it's probably been purchased from over there. So starting off, we have the Baby It's Cold Outside. That is from Hobby Lobby. The little hot chocolate stirrers are from HomeGoods along with the cups. And this little gingerbread man is from Hobby Lobby. Those sprinkles are from Target. And the rest of everything is from Hobby Lobby and Target. So, and I've painted that cup red. As you can see, it's orange because I had that for my fall coffee station. So, I'm starting off with a clean slate over here. I kind of like to see what I have. So, this station has been cleaned, wiped down, and everything. So, I'm gonna go ahead and start off with this wooden, I guess you can say like plate. I got that from HomeGoods, and that little black tray, I got that from Target during Halloween. That little sign is the sweetest time of the year. I also purchased that from Hobby Lobby, and that, like I mentioned before, is from Target. Red and white tree was purchased from Michaels, and that cute little gingerbread starring hot chocolate was from Hobby Lobby. I thought that was super cute given, you know, the theme of this hot cocoa bar, and the sprinkles I just picked up for like $1 at Target. Baby It's Cold Outside cup, I got that from Hobby Lobby. Actually, it's not a cup, it's kind of like a jar. I was going to put the hot chocolate in there, but it only fit like 3 of them, so I was like, you know what, since I found these little hot chocolate peppermint stirrers for the hot chocolate, I said I was going to go ahead and use that for that. So it actually worked out, and I think it looks really great. Little Santa cup. It was like kind of like a mason jar. I found that at Hobby Lobby, and I was looking everywhere for decorative straws. I went to Michael's and they had a pack, and it was like $10. I don't know why I didn't think to look at Hobby Lobby for them, but come to find out, I found them and they were only $2.99, and guess what? They were half off. So that was probably like the best purchase. I think these straws are so cute. Would I drink out of them? Not necessarily, but they just kind of give that nice little touch to this coffee station. So I'm going to be completely honest with you. I will say the Keurig hot chocolate pods, they are not that great. They actually are very watered down. I don't know if it's just my Keurig, but this looks very pretty. But as far as the taste, it didn't taste like hot chocolate at all. Like if it were me, I probably would buy the packets and kind of make my own versus using the Keurig. So. But anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I enjoyed making these type of videos, and don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And thank you so much for watching this video. Have a wonderful and happy